Atef here from InfoSec for TC, and we are glad to announce about the new services that we provided for our members. Learning a professional skills that can be added to your CV, it's not only by taking a course or taking a training. You need to have hands-on experience, you need to have real scenarios, you need to have real resources. And this is actually what we recently provided for our members. So let me show you what is available now on InfoSec for TC platform and how you can utilize them to be able to gain real hands-on and real experience that can be reflected in your CV or LinkedIn profile. Here is a set of benefits that you will get as an InfoSec for TC member. First of all, you will have the access to all our courses. We have more than 200 courses and we update them every quarter. Recently, we launched the new ISACA bundle, the new CISSP training, the new blue team versus red team. So this is available on the platform. We also have career path training because sometimes people need to learn specific skills, maybe in cybersecurity, maybe in cloud, maybe in network, but they feel overwhelmed with the number of courses. So then you will have a full career path, which is a set of courses and resources. For example, we have the red team career path, the blue team, the governance career path, the cybersecurity specialist career path. We also provide for our members a project platform, and I will show you the project platform. It's a place where you can practice on real projects. You will find all the resources related to a project. You will find the requirement of this project, the deliverable, all the template, and you can accordingly start working on it, upload the results of the project, and someone will evaluate your results. You will have 7001 toolkit, which is all the documentations that you need to implement ISO. This is not only useful for fresh or people who are recently joined cybersecurity, but people who are also working in the field as they need to have the templates and all the toolkit needed for implementing specific standards. This includes ISO 27001, ISO 42000, ISO 27301, NEST, and other standard and compliance. Also, InfoSec for TC will have access to all our live workshops. We conduct a lot of live workshops. For example, we have the GRC analyst workshop, we have the cybersecurity specialist, we have the SOC level 1, the red team, the blue team, the OSCP. We conduct workshop frequently because we know that the live workshop is giving people the opportunity to raise questions, to share experience, to understand real use cases. So all our members will have access to all the workshops, regardless of how many times they can attend. We also provide a exam practice question. Learning cybersecurity and getting the hands-on is very useful, but still we need to also get certified. So if you learn a specific career path in InfoSec for TC and you got a chance to practice on our real cybersecurity project platform, then you're going to need to be certified. This will raise the opportunity of finding a job and be called for an interview. This is also available in our platform for our members. And finally, we also provide certifications, attendance certification, and this is important to maintain the professional certificate. So you need certification with CPEs as credit so you can renew all your professional certificates. We have more benefit in our membership, the professional and the platinum, and please go to the website to check all the benefit of InfoSec for TC membership.